spicy Chinese cabbage.
Wow!
Let's start. Remove the roots, split into half and cut into equal strips. Rinse with water. Add salt. Massage it gently. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Drain and squeeze to remove extra water. Prepare the ingredients. In a pan with a 1½ teaspoon boiling oil, add the sliced garlic, onion, red chili. Add 3 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 tsp oyster sauce, 2 teaspoon sugar, chili flakes, and onion leaves. Put it on a Chinese cabbage and mix it well. Your spicy Chinese cabbage is now ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.